Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually trigger the bat attack in your A Garden's Halloween event. I don't know why it's not working for y'all, but basically you're just going to give the witch stuff to brew. And then once the cauldron progress hits 100, it usually gives me the bat attack. Maybe I'm just lucky. Oh my gosh, I need more than that. But make sure there's no weather happening right now as well. It happens when it's a clear sky for me. Then it just somehow turns into a bat attack. Let's try this again. If it doesn't work, maybe it was just a fluke for me. Like some luck. But as you can see, once I've gotten all of my plans submitted, I have triggered the bat attack. So I don't know why it's not working for you guys. Just submit plans to the witch and then this will happen. I've already triggered it 3 times with this, so I don't know why it's not working for you guys. But it certainly works for me. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.